Go! Go!
I can't. You're making me laugh.
One more laugh and then I'm going to get it.
Why are you shooting me?
No more laughing!
Oh, wow. Oh. Quit. Oh.
No more laughing.
All right, get over here. All right.
I will shoot you again.
Sorry. All right.
Oh.
What? Where are you going? Oh.
I'll go get that.
Well,
one more laugh, and then I'll... You've been laughing for 2 minutes.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. Welcome back to another Royalmarc. Oh, jeez.
I'm sorry if you don't like this. I can't get him to stop laughing. Stop laughing.
I'm trying. All right. All right, welcome back to another Royalmarc Reviews video. And sorry, I have been laughing so hard that I'm about crying. Junior's a funny guy.
I've been laughing for a long time.
I'm allowed to laugh? It's a silly Saturday, right? Welcome back to another Royalmarc Reviews video, and today we are going to be reviewing a fun little type of sand, I guess. Take it away, sir. SANDTASTIC Magical Sand stays dry underwater. Pour, mix, and play. But it's not very much sand. It's just like a trial pack, I guess. But if it's any good, maybe we'll buy some more of it. There you go, sir.
Here's the sand. It's not that much sand.
No, it's not. Just says simply pour SANDTASTIC into a cup of water by hand or with the included funnel / shovel and watch it magically stay dry underwater. Now you can use the funnel to shovel the SANDTASTIC for use next time.
This is the funnel right here, and this is the shovel.
Not suitable for children under 3 years of age.
I'm 6.
That means you can't play with it.
No, I'm 6.
What? You're 6?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Already?
Yeah.
Whatever. You lying?
No.
You sure you're 6?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, we got the package open. Let's see what this does. Ooh.
Ooh. Look at that. Oh. Whoa, this thing feels like...
Wow. Well, this could be fun.
Feel it. Whoa, when it...
Oh, yeah. Ooh. That's really neat. It feels like real sand under, well, not real, well, yeah. It feels like real sand underwater, but it just stays together. Wow. That is really crazy.
I think the reason that we have this, I think for my 6th birthday, he got this and then he put it somewhere. Then my dad put it somewhere that he doesn't know where it is, and then he forgot to give it to me because he couldn't find it.
Are you calling me old because I forget things?
No. What did I say you were? No.
No, you just said I forget things.
Oh.
There we go.
That's a big chunk. And then just let it dry. Look.
That is so crazy how it does that. I mean, ooh.
Oh, look. There's like a castle. It's like a castle.
Yeah, and I bet you can mold it. Like if you had some type of a...
Wait, did it say you could mold it?
Yeah, look. You can. If you have like a mold or something to use underwater. Look at that. Made a little volcano.
It's throwing out pink sand. Then once I crush it.
Really cool.
Ooh. Look at that.
That is awesome.
Look, it's like that, and then it's like sand. That's fun.
Well, that is good times right there.
Yeah.
What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
I think it's awesome. I wish we had more.
Yeah,
that's a very small pack. We need like a big bag of it and a big
like
bowl.
this big. What if it was actually in this packaging and the bag was this big with that much
That'd be
sand?
great. That'd be great.
We would have to get a big bowl and then we'd dump it in and then I would be like, this is so fun.
It is. It's really cool.
Yeah.
I don't know what the science behind it is, but it's a really neat thing to see. You've got completely dry sand and then you've got loose sand. I absolutely think that could be hours of entertainment. We just need like a wheelbarrow full of it. Maybe the back of the truck full.
Then we would need a huge bowl.
It doesn't seem to be overly messy. Obviously, you've got it in water, so you need to be conscientious of the water, but when we took our hands out of the water after playing with it, I didn't have any sand on mine, did you? On your hands? Just a couple little... I don't know. I give it a solid 10. I like it.
A 2, 3, 4,
it's
5,
it's
6,
awesome. I mean,
7,
this is actually cleaner than the crazy sand. There you go.
Sand.
Yeah, this is actually cleaner than that. I really didn't have anything on my hands. I give it a 10. He gives it a 10. 10 and 10. What's 10 plus 10?
20.
Exactly. So I guess together we give it a 20.
Yay! 10 plus 20 equals 40, and 40 plus 40 equals 80.
Wow. Wow. Looky here.
And
first grade's working out.
And 80 plus 80 equals 1600?
Close. I mean, not close in numbers, but you're close. It's 160. You got one.
160.
Yeah, you got one too many zeros on there. That's good. That's good. I'm digging it. Million subtract 500,000.
500,000.
Boom!
500,000 plus 500,000 is 1 million.
There you go. Exactly. That's what's in your piggy bank, isn't it?
I don't have 500,000 or a million.
I know.
No, I'm not even close. I'm not even in the hundreds. I have $60 and something cents.
Hey, that's not a bad little piggy bank in my opinion. $60.
Yeah, and you're not getting it.
Gotta go to sleep sometime. I'll sneak in there and get it. And I'll fill up my piggy bank.
You have a piggy bank?
No, I don't, because I don't get to save money. I have to pay bills and give it to everybody else. Pay for the house, pay for the car, pay for the insurance, pay for you!
Yeah.
You know how expensive you are? You know how you make me go broke? $1.99 at a time. One little thing after the next.
I don't cost anything, but if someone wants to buy me, they have to pay me
You don't
so much
cost
money.
anything?
No.
You don't cost anything?
No, for you guys.
Oh, yes you do. You are the most expensive thing that we have. You, sir, between your toys, your special things that you get to do, our outings, your food, your clothing, all that stuff costs money. All of it. Every bit of it. Then, oh, I don't feel good. Let's go to the doctor and give the doctor like $1,000 for a Q-tip and a Tylenol. Oh, you don't cost anything. You believe this guy? I'm not ticklish. I already told you. That's it. Okay, fine. That's it. You're going down, dude. All right, get up here.
No.
All right, y'all. Did you tell him about your suit?
No.
Why not?
Because, guys, the reason that I'm wearing the jacket, I'm not cold. It's like, 70 degrees in here.
Inside.
And it is 45 degrees outside.
It's a lot better than yesterday. It was like 30 or something yesterday. It was cold.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. I'm not wearing this just because I'm cold. I'm wearing it because it matches my pants.
You gotta coordinate.
Let's do this game.
Oh, I don't like this game. Break my neck.
I have something to
What?
do on your head. You keep on doing that and I'll be like that.
I don't like that. This is not going to be good. It can't be good.
Hello.
Saw, dude.
Clip. You face that way.
Oh, yeah. Ow, not so hard. Jeez. It's actually quite relaxing, but it's giving me chills. All right, get down here. You're gonna make me go to sleep. All right, y'all. Well, I give it a 10. He gives it a 10. Awesome stuff. I think it's great. We just need more of it. That's my fault. I just bought a little trial pack, but if you can buy it in a larger quantity, I would highly recommend it. This is very fun for kids or adults, to be quite honest with you. I think it's great. So we're going to end the video there, and if you enjoyed it, please leave a like, leave some comments down below. You can subscribe right up here.
Dad?
Yes?
Before we finish the video, the reason that I'm not mostly in the videos is either because I'm at like a birthday, school, or my grandma's.
Mm-hmm.
That's the reason that I'm not here, because a lot of you guys have said, "Where's Royal?"
Yep, you've got some fans out there, my friend. So gotta give them what they want, and I guess it's that cute little face.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Anyway, subscribe up here. Leave some comments down below. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.